Alrighty, little pudding pops. Okay, now we're going to do multiplying two mixed numbers. So, look at your note page, and your note page says, first, you change them both to improper fractions. Okay, so let's do that. What is 5 1/3 as an improper fraction? Well, let's find out. Okay, so first we do this. 5 times 3, 15, plus this 1. That makes what? 16. And what will the denominator be? It will stay the same. Good. So 16/3. Now let's do this one. First we multiply this. 2 times 9, that's 18. Plus 8, that's 26. And my denominator will be 9 because it's exactly the same. Now we can multiply. Now, you might be sitting here thinking, ooh, I can't do 16 times 26. Well, if that's tough for you, you can always come over here and do a partial products. You could do 16, which is 10 plus 6, times 26, which is 20 plus 6. And you can multiply it this way. 200, 120, 60, 36, and then I will add those up. So I'm going to come over here. 200, 120, 60, 36. Notice how I'm lining them up on this side. I'm not lining everything up over here by the 2. I'm going to add these up. That's 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to do a plus 1 here. 2, 3, 4. That's 416. So my answer is, let us stroke eraser. Delete this. So that will be 400. I apologize. This is failing me here. Over what? What would be the bottom? Remember, you go straight across, multiply 27. Now, we're not going to change that right now into back into a mixed number. We're just going to leave it like that, but just be mindful that you might have to change it back into a mixed number. But for right now, we're just focusing on how do you multiply and how do you divide. All right, great. So you guys did a great job on that one. Now it's time to practice dividing again. So we'll do the same thing. We're going to divide fractions, and then we're going to divide mixed numbers. Now, look at your notes where it says, now let's divide, because the answer is, dividing fractions is very similar to multiplying fractions because we use the reciprocal of the second fraction and then we end up multiplying to do division. I know it's a little confusing. So that's at the bottom of your second page of notes. And now we will move on to dividing.